Our project starts in Belfast North, where history tells of ethnic strife, with a focus on a bridge repair scheme to help improve community life. Our bridge exists in Forth River Glen and is locally known as Harmony. Ironically then, it brings discord to the local environment and families. In disrepair for 30 years, Harmony Lane is now a magnet for antisocial goings-on, drug abuse and other scenes from Dragnet. The river is a dumping ground for litter of all sorts, with general detritus and large-scale trash deposited in the river course. This brings with it a malodorous stench, most rancid during summer. Accompanied by rat infestation and flies, it really is very unpleasant. The combination of litter and crime brings concerns for human health, while fears grow of attack in the unlit lane with miscreants lurking under stealth. In addition, the potholed lane and crumbling bridge put limits on local access, creating congestion and pollution on adjacent routes, with resulting commuter distress. Potentially, this glen could be a local honeypot site. With a waterfall, gorge and forested woodland and local nature, it might provide a restful oasis in an urban mass, a green hub night and day, where the entire community could mingle, adults could relax, and younger children could play. With limited resources to throw around, our small-scale plans would be to build community cohesion by throwing a litter pick party. On a named weekend, the local groups from both sides of the glen would arrive and lift the rubbish drop to create a sanctuary of Zen. Shared involvement would encourage relationships and ownership of the lane, and hopefully deter the litter louts from disrespecting the area again. With a cleaner river and woodland way, our medium plans would require funding to open up the bridge and river and make it even more visually stunning. Investment in filling potholes, resurfacing and widening of the pathway to allow for safer access for all, including those with challenging mobility. Security at night would be addressed through a two-pronged approach to the matter. Solar lighting illuminating the path and bridge would allow longer access for visitors to gather. A carbon zero solution with limited luminescence, it would have limited impact on flora and fauna due to its presence. A lockable gate to restrict access during hours of dark would help prevent local hoodlums from destruction and leaving their mark. They could open up access over the bridge to cars, which would reduce traffic build-up nearby at rush hours. However, this would provide a risk to those who wish to enjoy their surroundings in safety, more a ploy to annoy. The housing executive who own the land need to step up as they must and follow the example of the National Trust at Divis, where land is protected for perpetuity and access is granted to locals who show their gratuity by taking responsibility for actions in Divis and Colin Glen. So, can we have the same consideration and actions for Harmony then? The continued construction of housing to the north of the span removes forest and habitats on natural greenbelt land. This increases flood risk on housing in situ, with risk of life lost, a most serious issue. Therefore, Belfast City Council should protect Harmony Bridge to maximise the opportunity for locals to live close to nature, enjoying the sights and the sound of flowing water and wildlife which can remain to be found. In summation, a clean-up and repair of Harmony Bridge, river and lane as multiple actions provides a green lung for local populations and grows bonds for community factions, along with a sustainable space for forest and wildlife to thrive and a pristine river where fish can return and live. In a respected and secure parkland where the satisfied local community can coexist and commune with each other and nature in true harmony.